Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the topic what's the differences between cloud computing and hosting on online web server. Cloud computing and hosting an online web server are two different ways to store and access data. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, database, networking, software, analytics, intelligence, and more over the internet. To offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economic of scale, you typically pay only for the cloud service you use, and eliminating the upfront costs associated with the building and maintaining your own IT infrastructure. What is hosting on an online web server? Hosting on an online web server is a type of web hosting where your website is hosted on a physical server that is owned and operated by web hosting company. You can rent a space on a web server to store your website's files and make them accessible to visitors. Here is a table that summarizes the key differences between cloud computing and web hosting. Cloud computing infrastructure managed by cloud provider, web hosting infrastructure managed by web hosting provider. Cloud computing scalability, highly scalable. Web hosting scalability can be scalable but to lesser extent to the cloud computing. Cloud computing pricing, pay as you go. Web hosting pricing, typically priced on a monthly or annual basis. Cloud computing control, less control over the underlying infrastructure. Web hosting control, more control over the underlying infrastructure. Cloud computing complexity, less complex to manage. Web hosting complexity, more complex to manage. Which option is right for you? The best option for you will depend on your specific needs. If you need a highly scalable and reliable solutions, then cloud computing is a better option. If you are on a tight budget, do not need a lot of resources, then hosting on online server may be better option for you. Here are some additional things to consider when choosing between cloud computing and hosting on online web server. Type of website. What type of website do you have? If you have a simple website or low traffic, then hosting an online servers may be sufficient. If you have a complex website with a high traffic, then cloud computing is a better option. Growth plans. Do you have plan on growing your website in the futures? If so, then cloud computing is a better option as it more scalable. Budget. How much are you willing to spend on hosting? Cloud computing can be more cost effective than hosting on the online web server, but it is important to compare the cost carefully before making a decisions. In conclusions, cloud computing and hosting our online web servers are two different ways to store and access data. Cloud computing is flexible and scalable options, while hosting on an online web server is more a traditional option. The best option for you will depend on your specific needs. That's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video.